This is Rocket Prince, and thanks for joining my channel. Today, I'm gonna make some shirts for my dogs. I got 2 dogs, and I bought some shirts from Michael's, and hope y'all like it. I'm gonna be using a white t-shirt and a white black shirt, and I'm gonna use some Thermoflex white vinyl, and I'm gonna go ahead and press them. Also, I'm gonna create the design on CorelDraw, and then from there we're going to go ahead and cut it and weed it, and we're going to go ahead and press it. So with that, if you're new to my channel and would like to learn more about my upcoming videos, hit that notification bell. You can also follow me on Instagram as well, and please remember to hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and let's go ahead and get this started. Okay guys, we're going to start the process to make a shirt for my dog Peanut, and let's go ahead and load up CorelDraw. Alright, let's go ahead and type in Peanut's name, and then we're just going to size it out and then look for a dog paw. Okay, so this paw is a JPEG, so we're going to have to trace it and then create it and make it into a vector file. So we're just going to go to Outline, Line Art, and then let it CorelDraw do its thing. Just wait right here for a minute. Okay, now that it's converted, we can go ahead and get it ready to start cutting. But first, what I want to do is we're going to go ahead and copy and paste the paws, and let's go ahead and shrink it down. And I want to make 4 of these paws, so let's get this ready, and let's go ahead and copy and paste. And let's set these up. I don't really want to concentrate on where we're going to actually set them up for right now, but as we have them cut out, then we'll go ahead and place the paws on the shirt to where we think is best. Okay, so right now let's just copy and paste. Let's get that ready. All right, now let's go ahead and go to Google, and let's go to the font, and let's try to find a good font for our dog. Okay, this one kind of looks cool, Super Dog. So I think I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And let's go ahead and get ready to download it onto my computer. Okay, now that that's done, let's go ahead and look for Super Dog. And let's change Peanut to that font. There it is, Super Dog. That looks nice. All right, let's go ahead and bring this out. And let's fix that, straighten that out a little bit. And that looks cool. I like that design. Okay, now that we got that set up, let's go ahead and get ready to, I'm going to go ahead and get this set up in CorelDraw so we can go ahead and cut it. And let's go ahead and get ready to start the cutter. All right, guys, while that's cutting, we're going to go ahead and take this off, and we're going to print the image on this shirt, okay? Okay, so I finished cutting. Now I got the layout, and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward this so we can go ahead and start pressing. So this is how it's going to look. Obviously the dog's going to be like this, and we're going to print the image on the back. Okay, so let's get started. All right, guys, so what's next is, you can see this is going to have to lay down this way when we're pressing it. So when we're pressing it, you're gonna fall on those arms. So how do we avoid that? Well, what we do is, you can buy these little pillows on Amazon, and the purpose of this is to put it inside the t-shirt and bring out that backside and avoid the arms from interfering with the press. So you stuff that in, put it in there, and then now you have the pillow, and the press is just gonna smash the pillow, and it's gonna smash on that part. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this started now. Okay, so I got the heat press on 352, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So it's letting me know it's ready. Give it a press here, and let's go ahead and press it. Take out the moisture out of this shirt. Give it about 1, 2, 3. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and place peanut first. So let's go ahead and put that there. You can see that. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and press it for 7 seconds, okay? Okay. Go ahead and peel that off. Sweet. Go ahead and give it another press for another 7 seconds to make sure it gets embedded correctly. Hold on to that. All right. Okay. So we'll go ahead and do that here. There. Let's bring it up just a little bit more, like that, right there, and right there. Some hair right there, not a big deal. Okay. Take these off. Just be careful, guys. It's hot. When you do this on your own, just be prepared. It's hot. Bring this back. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see the final result here. Looks pretty cool, so let's go and try it on Peanut. Okay, come on Peanut, let's put this on you, okay? Come on. Come on little buddy, come here Peanut. Come on, good Peanut. Let's put this on you. Come on over here. Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna look. Let's get you here.
Yeah. Are you good? Yeah.
Put this over here.
Yeah, he says he's recording. Huh?
All right. That looks awesome, Peanut.
Let's tight on him.
All right, well, I got the other one cutting. We're going to go ahead and do the black one now. And let's get this one set up. So, all right. Same process. Want to make sure you remove everything you can off of these. So still got the tag. Take that off here. And this one's kind of a little linty, so I'm going to take the lint off of this one. Alright, put that on there for right now, and then we're going to go ahead and do the weeding real quick. Okay, so I got this shirt on the press. I've already took out the lint. Now we're just going to take the moisture out, hold it for about 3 seconds, and let's go ahead and do ours. So this time I'm going to do Love My Dog, Mr. Pink, and do some dog paws here. Okay, let's go ahead and press that. You guys can see that. Hold that for 7 seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and take this off. One. 2. Okay, you can see the final result here. My dog, Mr. Pink. And let's go put it on Mr. Pink. Mr. Pink! There you are. Come on, Mr. Pink. Let's put your shirt on. Come on. Come here, Mr. Pink. Good boy. Come on over here. Ah, there, right there. Okay, let's put this on you, okay? Good boy. Put this on him. There we go. All right, there you guys can see it. Good, Mr. Pink. Okay, go, Mr. Pink. Go show off your shirt. Go show your shirt off. Guys, that's how you make t-shirts for your dogs. Again, I picked these up at Michael's. Hope y'all liked it, and please remember to hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you, and have a blessed day.